Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's webinar on Scope 3 supply chain emissions, in which we have a particular focus on obtaining better quality primary data from our suppliers. I'm Giles Scott Hayward, and I manage the Greenstone Sustainable Supply Chain Solution supplier portal, which enables clients to align their purchasing and supplier management practices with their sustainability goals. This is an informative webinar only, so as such, we'll try and keep it to about 30 minutes with no Q&A. However, if you do have any questions at all, then please do record them in the question box facility provided. So hopefully you can see that in your control panel. We'll respond to all those questions and distribute a Q&A document to all attendees if appropriate. So today, we'll have a brief look at Scope 3 emissions more widely, why Scope 3 supply chain emissions are of particular importance, and what challenges are involved in addressing these emissions. We'll then look at a client case study and the steps being taken to move from high-level supply chain GHG estimation towards better quality primary data. So quickly, for those unfamiliar with Greenstone, we've been operating since 2007 and provide sustainability software solutions, and that's with uncapped support to users in over 100 countries. We're aligned with over 30 international frameworks, and Greenstone and our solutions, our SaaS solutions, are SOC 2 certified. We have software solutions, so we have 3 software solutions, and we'll look at these more closely and at how they enable the Scope 3 emissions calculation and reporting through the integration of them all. The Enterprise module has 3 modules. Enterprise solution, has 3 modules. It's the Environment module for calculating and tracking your GHG footprint, Frameworks module for aligning, managing and reporting ESG metrics in accordance with global frameworks and custom metrics, health and safety for instant reporting across businesses and tracking and consolidating H&S data. Supplier portal, which enables clients to engage directly with their suppliers on standard Greenstone or bespoke assessments. And investor portal for tracking ESG performance across your portfolios. So all of these provide carbon calculation and utilize our emissions factor library. And from a Scope 3 standpoint, all the solutions are integrated to calculate, share and report against all 15 Scope 3 categories. So I thought it'd be interesting to start with a quick poll in order to understand a little bit more about everyone's experiences to date and perhaps a maturity in relation to supplier emissions. So the question hopefully has come up for you there. Are you currently tracking and reporting Scope 3 supply chain emissions?